guys, Gina from Orchid and Opal here, and I am sharing another haul with you guys. This is a bead haul from beadboxbargains.com. I let you guys know that I had done some shopping on Black Friday, and I was hoping to score some deals. Of course, they ended up having a really good Cyber Monday sale, but that's okay. Still saved 30% off my order, and they had a bunch of stuff on special for Black Friday that I was able to snap up. So I spent about $35 on this haul. It's not the most colorful one I have to show you, but I think you guys will still love it. So I'm going to go down through my packing list. The first couple items were these really pretty snow quartz puffed top drilled teardrops. Sorry guys, I had to pause the video. There's a little bit of confusion. These were actually the quartz crystal faceted puff teardrops that were $3.39 each, and the other teardrops I show you later were actually the 79-cent ones. Sorry about that. They're faceted, they're super sparkly. I think they'll make for some beautiful earrings. Just so pretty how the light hits those. I love them so much. So I've been really into this shape lately and was excited to snap up a couple of these. These were part of their Black Friday special. So then I got some hand-cut snow quartz flat rectangle beads. So you'll see a lot of gemstone beads today. And these were 99 cents per strand. I got 2 strands. And they're just a gorgeous white with a little bit of clear. Do a close-up on that so you guys can see. I thought the shape was unique, and I don't have a whole lot of white beads, so I thought this was a good opportunity to snap some up. I like them a lot. So there's those. Then I got this was a 14-inch strand of snow quartz round beads, 8 to 10 millimeter, and these were $1.19. So I got one of those. So just some more white beads, but they are quartz, so they have that nice weight to them, and they seem to be very nice quality. So great deal on those. And then I got a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter white, and they have jade in quotation marks, glass, because they're glass, faceted teardrops. And these were only 49 cents for the strand, so I snapped those up as well. So just some really cute puffed faceted teardrops there, which should be fun to play with. And the next thing I got was a strand of white shell beads. These are 8 millimeter. It's a 15-inch strand. So just another great basic white, but also have the nice weight and feel of a stone. So this should be nice. And then I got some quartz oval beads. These were between 8 to 14 millimeters. And by the way, the last strand was 89 cents. This was 99 cents. Thought these were really pretty. These quartz ovals. They had some other deals that they put online very early on Black Friday morning, I think it was. And I'm just not a night owl, so I thought, well, you know, I'm going to have to pass. I just wasn't up to staying up because they had kind of teased that they would be putting stuff up. And I was like, I'm just going to have to wait because I wouldn't have been coherent enough to make good decisions at that point. So anyway, there were some things that had sold out before I could get to them, but that's okay. So those are pretty. And then this was a random pick. These were $1.99. It was a random pick of Garnet Gemstones, so I got a 14-inch strand of these cute, they look like pomegranate seeds, don't they? Yeah, so they're just this really cute, they're kind of in a regular shape. I like them. They look like pomegranate seeds. They're so cute and pretty. That color's gorgeous. Okay, next I got a 14-inch strand of Labradorite Chips, $1.39. You guys know I love Labradorite. You guys can see the flashes of color. They call that chatoyancy. But anyway, when the light hits it, it's just beautiful. So I don't do much with the chips, but I do have some things in mind for these. I don't like get a lot of the gemstone chips because they're not my absolute favorite to work with, but I couldn't pass these up for $1.39, and they're still very pretty. So then I got another strand of puff teardrops, and these were 79 cents. So some more of that quartz, snow quartz, I guess. And then I got a strand of 8 to 12 millimeter quartz crystal faceted puff teardrops. These were $3.39. I did use my 30% off code from the Bargain Bead Box subscription box. So this is their sister site if you guys aren't aware. But it's a bead subscription company, and they also have a sister site, which is where I shopped at, and that's what I'm showing you right now. And a lot of times they'll send a coupon code in the box, so I saved that code to use on my Black Friday shopping. So I did save some money. It wasn't good off the Black Friday items, but I did save about $10 or $11 off my order. So these were interesting. These are a 8mm frosted Crackle agate round bead. This is the jet black. These were $3.09. I just thought they looked really unique. So this was a 15-inch strand. Pretty cool looking. And then I got a strand of the gray and white variety, which was $3.09 as well. So that's what these look like. There we go. And then I got a 15-inch strand of Spectralite Labradorite round beads, $3.29. So these kind of are like Labradorite, but also mixed with some darker like black and dark gray, and I'd have to look up some more information about what exactly it is. I'm sure somebody can let me know in the comments. If you do, feel free. But basically it's kind of like a mix. Like I can turn these and see a little bit of that color flash, but not as much as just the regular Labradorite, but they're still very pretty. And I think they would combine nicely too with the Labradorite. So there's those. I also got a strand of 8mm Labradorite round beads, which is right here. And these were $2.99. And this is a 7-inch strand, 7 or 8-inch strand. It's not quite as big, but if you've ever shopped for Labradorite, you know that it's not cheap. It is one of those gemstones that is a little bit more expensive. Alright, so when I saw it on Bead Box Bargains, I had to snap it up. Then I got a 15-inch strand of 8x5 Amazonite matte rondelle beads. These were $5.99, but I've been eyeing these for quite some time. And I've never used Amazonite. I think it's very pretty. And I love the shape of these rondelles. I think they're really nice. Different shades of light greens and aquas, sandy colors, off-white, gray, all different colors. Kind of reminds me of those candy necklaces from when we were kids. The shape of them, the shape of these beads anyway. So there's that, and then I got a strand of Amazonite 6mm matte round beads, and these were $1.99. Very nice as well. So you can see that they have that matte finish to them. And then I got another strand of Labradorite. These were a 6mm, and this is another one of those shorter strands, the 7 or 8 inch strands. It's still lovely. And these were $2.79. And then I got a strand of 6mm matte black silkstone round beads, $1.49. So these are, you can see that they're kind of a dove gray with a darker gray, kind of modeled in with some white, different shades of gray basically. But I thought they were really cool. And if I didn't mention, that was $1.49, and these were on a 7.5 inch strand. And then the last thing I got was a 15-inch strand of some more freshwater pearls. They've been running sales on these quite a bit. These were on sale for $2.99 for a big old 15-inch strand, and these were in the color silver, which I think will coordinate very nicely with some of the things that I got today as well. Very pretty. And then, as they usually do, they included a little free gift, which is always nice. So that was a little free gift with the order, a couple little toggle clasps. So there you go. So this was it for my next Black Friday shopping bead haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave me a comment below. Let me know what your favorite item is here, or what you would make with any of these items. And please stay tuned for future finished jewelry updates, where I will update you on what I have done with these beautiful beads. And stay tuned for a couple more bead hauls and lots more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching and being with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys! If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!